friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and welcome to another smoothie bowl video. I feel like it's been so long since we've made a smoothie bowl and it's already fall. How is it fall? I don't know about you, but I am so excited for fall. And the other day I went to Starbucks and had the new apple crisp macchiato. Let me know if you've given it a try, but it got me thinking I should make an apple crisp smoothie bowl. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be so yummy and I can't wait to show you how to make it. So if you're excited to learn how to make this smoothie bowl, give this video a big thumbs up and hey, hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. Let's get to it. I guess I should start by asking, have you even had apple crisp before? Maybe that's just something my family always did, but our neighbor used to make apple crisp for the whole neighborhood when I was younger, and she would drop it off on the doorstep, and that truly is the one thing that makes me feel like fall is coming. So let me know if you've had it before, but if you haven't, apple crisp is basically a bunch of cinnamony apples on the bottom and then this delectable, buttery, gooey oat crumble on the top. Oh, it's the crumble. It's the crumble that gets me. And so we're gonna take inspiration from that oat topping today and use oat milk as our liquid. We're gonna do about 1/4 cup. Now we're going to add 1 frozen banana, about 1 cup of chopped frozen Honeycrisp apple. Honeycrisp apples are the best. Somebody tell me otherwise. And then about 1/2 cup of frozen rice cauliflower. You guys know this by now, but I always put frozen rice cauliflower in my smoothies because it doesn't add any sugar, but it makes your smoothie thicker and bigger. Plus you get some nutrients from the added veggies. This is optional though. If you don't want to add it, just add in another frozen banana. Okay, now for our add-ins. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of rolled oats. To really pull in that cinnamony crumble flavor, we're gonna do a big scoop of maple almond butter. You can use any kind of nut butter for this, but I feel like these flavors are gonna match best with the bowl. Now, this next part is optional, but for added nutrition, I'm doing a scoop of protein powder. You can leave this out if you don't want it, but I think it makes your smoothie bowls a more well-rounded meal. I love 310 Nutrition protein powder. I've been using their protein powder for about 3 years. It's really clean, it doesn't make me gassy, and I love the flavors of it. So typically I do vanilla protein powder, but I have this horchata flavor, which I thought would be perfect for the apple crisp smoothie bowl because it's cinnamon. So we'll see if it works. All right, that is it. Now we're ready to blend. My stars, this came out so good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow, this is next level. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I know smoothie bowls aren't typically foods you think of when you think of fall, but it should be because this bowl is out of this world. Oh my gosh. Okay, you seriously need to try this and tag me when you do because I want to know your thoughts. Oh, it's so good. I've linked the full recipe in the description box below if you want to make it, but I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this smoothie bowl. If you did and it made you smile, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.